Dude, where were you, man?
Oh crap, it's a break.
So what?
Hey! Is it a break now? What's up? Hey, Manny. Where have you been? Well, we're looking all over the place.
Dude.
Where have you
You
been?
missed the whole thing, dude. There was this big naked... Oh, never mind.
I know, man. You should have seen her.
Don't tell her.
Dude,
Don't tell her.
girls everywhere,
Don't tell
girls.
her.
G-string bikinis. I mean, it was awesome, dude, in there. It was a party, man.
You know me.
Who cares?
You know me.
Dude,
I don't
you're
like
just a loser,
girls.
man. You're just a loser.
There's Cody, my idol.
They all like me
Cody,
anyways.
my idol. There's Daddy. Whoa.
Check this out. This is money.
Cody.
Hey,
This is money.
Bennett.
Hey, hey.
Flex for your girlfriend, dude. Ooh, look at that Arkin body.
He couldn't.
Yeah,
have
I
a
already,
girlfriend.
dude. He has 172
Yes.
right there.
Money that our friend Daniel Phalo is
Will
gonna
not
blow.
share.
He's gonna blow. I wish I had this much money.
Dude, let's
I
get
wish.
something to eat.
Who said he's gonna blow?
You're gonna blow it, pal.
Hey, what does the E on this record thing mean, man? We bet. Okay, we're signing off for now, but I'm sure we'll have some fun later. So, check.